I want to show you guys how to put memory into a laptop and take memory out of a laptop. First, you need a screwdriver like this to do so. In most cases, a small Phillips head screwdriver. This will be all you need. Next, you need to flip it over. And to insert the RAM into the laptop, you need to flip it over. And on the bottom, you see a place for RAM, like this. And in this slot, let's put the RAM in this slot. You have to unscrew it with a small screwdriver. See right here? This right here is, and you unscrew it. And see inside, these are called SODIMMs. They're made for laptops. This laptop isn't the newest kind, but I'm just showing you guys how to take out and insert the RAM. It's two little clamps to keep it firmly in place, and you just undo those. See that? This is an SODIMM made for laptops, and this is what it looks like. This is mostly how RAM is put into almost all laptops. And to reinsert it, put it in here. And you push it down firmly down. And you push it down. Clamp it. See? And then, that's pretty much it. Put the top back on. Screw it in. And you're done. And that concludes putting RAM into a laptop. You need a small screwdriver in most cases. It's on the bottom. You need SODIMMs for your laptop. It's up to you to figure out which ones you need, which brand you need for your laptop. That's all.